Hi, this is Tyron. This is my bike check. This is a white Total BMX bike. Starting from the top, I have some district grips, white. They're not real soft at the moment, but I know when you ride them, like wear them in a bit, they get a bit more softer. I've got S&M hotter bars in chrome. I've got an Odyssey brake lever with an Odyssey linear slick cable. I have a proper Bikeco BMX headstock. Back to this. It's got like Christmas coloured bolts on it. It looks really good. Got 2 spacers, a Cane Creek headset. Got a dope leaf on the front of the frame. Got chrome demolition forks with a... What are you doing, Jake?
I thought you wanted me to try and practice.
No, I don't. I have a Colony hub, nice anodized blue, laced to some white spokes, and then put on a, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Odyssey Savenka rims, as you can see.
I just snapped you, Jeff.
I've got a Colony front tyre. Oh, I've got a We the People seat. It's unknown what the seat pole is. Also, white seats get very dirty. Factory effects sticker.
Have you done your wheels?
Yeah, I've done the front one. On the other side, I've got a Drift Drift Bike Shop sticker. They sell really good parts there. That's what a lot of these parts came from. Profile cranks, nice and chrome. I've got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. Got a simple Bikeco bottom bracket. I think I've got a Colony sprocket. I'm not quite sure on that. The back rim's basically the same as the front, and the tyre's the same and everything. Chain's a little rusted. The headstock does not hurt when you hit your balls on it. Unlike this big bulky ass thing over here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope I have not forgotten anything.
Did you do your tyres, your bottom bracket,
Yep.
your pedals?
Yes, I did, Jake.
Bar ends, whatever they are.
Well, I'm not quite sure what the bar ends are, so I'll just leave that out.
Just look. Possibly Colony in to scratch to tell.
Yeah, the white grips aren't going to stay white for much longer.
They're already started to go grey.
Yeah.
Need to wear a ring bit though.
Bike's all wet from it raining.